Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking immediate first steps. Power down the board and discharge capacitors so you won't damage the device. Put on an ESD strap and consult the FET datasheet to match pin names to package queues. This saves time. Once done, use a magnifier to find the notch, dot, or tab that indicates pin 1 and mark pins lightly. Now you're ready to perform diode and resistance checks with a digital multimeter to confirm which terminal is which. Next, you perform targeted measurements to determine gate, drain, and source. Start in diode mode. Place the positive probe on suspected source and negative on body. A forward diode indicates the body drain or body source junction. Once done, bias the gate through a 100K resistor with a low voltage to test threshold and see if the channel conducts. This confirms the gate. Then measure resistance between suspected drain and source, with gate pulled high and low to compare RDS. To complete identification, you verify results by repeating diode and resistance checks while swapping probes. Consistent behavior means you've mapped terminals correctly. If readings are ambiguous, remove the FET and test on a bench with a known good supply and series resistor to avoid board leakage paths. Make sure to observe static safety and limit current. If things go wrong, a shorted junction or wildly low resistances, assume die damage. Replace the device and rerun tests to confirm the board functions normally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.